how to pay using Ggives in Lazada. So if you want to pay using Ggives on Lazada, then first things first is access your Lazada application. Once you've logged in, ensure that you're currently signed in to your account completely. Now, before purchasing anything using your Ggives on Lazada, ensure that your Lazada wallet is fully activated already. After that, you also have to make sure that your GCash account is also linked with your Lazada account. Now, once you're ready, have sufficient amount of funds from your Ggives, you just have to transfer it over to your Lazada account. Once the transfer is successful, you should be able to see your Lazada wallet right here. Now, it's all simple. All you have to do is from your current card, say for example in here, we'll have to check this out. You just have to change your mode of payment into your Lazada wallet for you to be able to use your Ggives. And that's it. All you have to do is ensure that you have sufficient funds from your Ggives, transfer it over to your Lazada wallet, and change the mode of your payment on your checkout page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.